Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Chef Marcus Kitchen and my Cuisine YouTube channel. Today, I am coming along with a brand new episode called Chicken Fajita. It's a Mexican item, but I am making it as a fusion way, a semi-Mexican and semi-Indian. You can say it Indo-Mexican Fajita. Please stay tuned. I'll show you what are the ingredients which I am using for that and the way of cooking, how to making this. Thank you. For making a fajita, I have a spice blend here that I made out of oregano, pepper powder, cumin powder, salt, garlic powder, paprika powder and chili powder. This mix, I'll give the recipe below of my video. Now I have 20 gram of chopped garlic here and half teaspoon of garam masala here. The garam masala, if we use more, that will all kill this spices flavor. That's why I just making little as a fusion. I am using little bit of giving garam masala for an Indian touch. I have 7-8 tortillas here for to wrapping. Here I have 800 gram of mixed colored bell pepper capsicum, and I have 600 gram of julienne strip cut chicken leg pieces. Now stay tuned, I will show you how to making this and wrapping it up. Wok is ready. I am adding around almost 30 ml of oil. Now the oil is hot. I am putting chopped garlic. Now garlic is almost brown. Almost 15 minutes I took the chicken leg strip. Now I am adding garam masala in it for giving an Indian touch. Along with that, the spice blend which I made of fajita. Now the chicken is ready. The mixed bell pepper. And the balance spices. Here I am adding 1.5 tablespoon of lemon juice for a flavor. For wrapping the fajita, keep an aluminum foil outside and keep a butter paper inside. After that, you can put the tortilla inside. I don't have butter paper here, that's why I am not using the butter paper now. Keep the stuffing in a lengthwise like this, and you can fold with your hand. And the fajita roll is ready.